Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Robbins and I'm the program coordinator at Jacobs Creek Watershed Association. Now my title is pretty broad because at JCWA we do a lot of different things. So our mission is to conserve and rehabilitate our streams and our watershed, as well as promote environmental education and recreation in our watershed. So my job entitles an aspect of all those different things, but today what I'm doing is some water quality sampling. So if you've been in the Creek Connections program before, you've tested for different pollutants in a local stream. And that's exactly what part of my job is. So I'm right here at Jacobs Creek in Jacobs Creek, the town, and I'm testing for different pollutants and parameters such as pH, dissolved oxygen, all those different things that if you've done sampling before with Creek Connections, you know about. So it's one of my favorite parts of my job because I get to come out into the outdoors and really just kind of play around in the creek. It's not playing, but it really is just relaxing and very nice to find, different macroinvertebrates and just learn a lot about your local watershed. So this is definitely my favorite thing of my job, but also at JCWA we do a lot of different construction projects. So if we do sampling like this, and if you're familiar with the different pollutants, you can find, different things wrong with your stream, but there are solutions. There are ways to fix the pollutants in your stream. And that's another part of my job, is organizing different projects and construction projects that can fix different things that are wrong with the stream. So that's a very big part of my job, is working with different organizations and applying for grants. That way we can restore our streams and make them beautiful again for the ones that aren't so nice like this one. And then another part of my job is environmental education. That's why I'm involved with Creek Connections. I love teaching different students, about water quality testing, so I love that part. And then recreation is just getting outside, so we definitely encourage you to get outside and explore your local watershed. Now, to get to where I am, I'm pretty new to the field. The first thing I did is went to a small college. I went to Cedar Crest College in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and I majored in environmental conservation. So there I learned a bunch of different new things that helped me get experience for this job that I have at JCWA. So there, I would definitely encourage you, if you go to college or university, to try out different things. I was involved in a lot of different research projects, and that's how I got involved in water quality testing. I tested different streams in Allentown for water quality parameters and macroinvertebrates and things. So definitely try to explore different research labs and see what you're interested in, because there's so many different things you can do. Also in college I did a lot of animal behavior. You can watch birds all day and learn a lot of things about them, or any other animal. There's just so many different routes that you can do that can lead you to an environmental conservation position. So the first step is definitely, I encourage you to go to college if you can, and just try a bunch of different new things. There's so many different possibilities in conservation, so just, in my opinion, just try everything out and find what you like the best. I figured out that I really like the outdoors and doing field research, so that's why I work for JCWA, and I love it a lot. So just get as much experience as you can, and that'll help you out a lot. If you have any questions, either about advice for getting into positions such as this, or if you would like to learn more about JCWA, you can reach out to me for sure. And I encourage you to find your own local watershed. So there's tons of different watershed organizations, and I'm sure they'll all be willing to help you in some aspect to get some experience, whether that's testing for water quality, or whatever you're looking for volunteer hours, etc., definitely reach out to your local watershed organization.